In today's video, I will show you how to limit your download speed in Steam. So as you can see here, I'm right now downloading the Monster Hunter Wilds benchmark. And here right now, this will use all the network I have available. So I want to limit that. So we go here to the settings. This is what we are looking for here, the limit download speed. You can enable that. And now we have to enter the kilobytes per second. For example, right now I'm using 88 megabytes. So if I, for example, choose, let's say 20,000 kilobytes, this will limit to around 20 megabytes. So let's see that. Right now I have this enabled. So we need to now pause the download and resume the download. And now as you can see here, this will limit my downloading speed. As you can see, this is going down. And this will go down to the 20 megabytes. So this will be useful, for example, if you want to play any other games or even using the computer, because this will also use less disk. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.